Hi, welcome to the newest edition of AI Tool Sneak Peek. In this session, I'm going to be talking about how to make ChatGPT forget any sensitive information. In the recent months, ChatGPT has introduced quite a few changes into the way it handles long-term memory. But let's look at what options you have available for the long-term memory. I am in the ChatGPT interface. I go to top right, my account information. I click on settings, and in settings, I go to personalization. In personalization, you see memory uh, portion here, and in that, there are two types of memory which is there, which forms a part of long-term memory. So, what is a long-term memory? Something that is accessible across sessions by ChatGPT and something that it retains for a longer period of time. The first type of memory, which had been existing for quite some time now, is reference saved memories. For example, if you tell ChatGPT, "I am so and so," as a part of your prompt, like "I am a co-founder at AI&Beyond, I do XYZ, and now I want to create a strategy." So wherever you use sort of a personal sort of pronouns where you're saying something about yourself, it tends to save that into the memory, reference saved memory. As you can see here, in one of the sessions that I did, I took a persona of Amber, and I gave what Amber is like, and what she does, etc. And it recorded some of these statements. And one of the reasons why ChatGPT does this, the whole uh, idea of long-term memory, is the fact that it can help you personalize the responses based on what you said. But it also offers one of the very granular control over how you manage memory. Either you can disable that if you don't want, or you can periodically delete all, or even go to the memory level and ask it to forget stuff. So a couple of months back, ChatGPT also introduced what is called as reference chat history. In a simple terms, it means that ChatGPT can now reference all your previous conversations and apply that context to the response that it is generating, um, which is which is a great feature. It offers a lot of personalized responses, but at the same time, you also run into the risk of ChatGPT knowing certain personal information for your about yourself, which you don't want to want it to remember. So, what do you do in those cases? I'll go back to the chat window to show you that. I have designed this prompt called as based on what you know about me from past conversations. Help me list potentially sensitive and personal things you know about me. And this is something that I run periodically to make sure that I clean up something that ChatGPT should not know about me. And as I gave this prompt, it starts to list all that in you, and it is referencing the past history to come up with a lot of information about what I dislike, what I like, etc., and and uh, and things like that. So some of the information I review and figure out I don't want it to remember. For example, I moved to other screen where I already had this prompt executed. I don't I don't want to want it to forget this memory because one is it is incorrect, and second, I don't want it to remember. I do simply pick up this point. I just say, please forget. And as you see, it updates saved memory. It forgot what it knew about me, and it took, and in this case it picked up this part of memory from the saved memory, not from the chat history. But broader point here is that you can periodically review what it knows about you and what you want it to forget. Just use this prompt, please forget, and it will forget what is written here. In order to check this, you can again go and write the same prompt that based on what you know about me from past conversations. Help me list potentially sensitive information that you know about me. and you'll find that this information is missing there. So I hope you found this tip useful. It is as a part of the broader AI literacy, we not only should be looking to gain the speed efficiency from AI tools, but also while doing so we should also do that with a lot of responsibility, keeping our data safe. We'll look forward to seeing you again next week. And thank you so much for your time and attention. Bye bye.